Aditya Singh, thank you so much for that. I had my mic muted, so how is it now? I'll wait till we confirm that it's good before I continue. We want it to be good. We don't want any more embarrassments because we want the stream to be good. How is it, Aditya? Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Let's get that turned down, probably. Makes it impossible to edit the video anyway. Alright. I think it's good. Hello? You know what? I bet you my AC is too loud. There we go. How is the audio? Do a heart in the chat if the audio is good. I'm not going to count that one because that one was me. Here, I'll type it. Hello. It looks like it's working. Hello. 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 Hello, Poppet. Y'all still aren't telling me if my audio is okay. Somebody. Anybody. Is my audio okay? Anybody out there? Anybody. Let me know if my audio is okay. I don't want to go this whole time sounding like an idiot. I just checked myself, damn it. Hold on. There we go. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect audio. I was capable of doing that myself, turns out. Okay. I'll start over. Welcome to another Coding Things IRL stream. If you're new around here, my name is Adam. The channel is called Coding Things IRL because that is what I do, or try to do on most days. And let's hope that that's not one of those try to do days today. Today we're going to be doing a lot of coding. We're going to be trying to make a full backend with 2 routes, so not a whole lot. I don't want to make it sound more intimidating than it actually is. For our Lite Brite game. Oh man, I just messed this up. How did I mess that up so bad? Let me fix this real quick. Looks like a platform shoe from the 70s. Yeah. That's good enough, right, guys? I think that's good enough. Okay, so, yeah. Backend for Lite Brite game. And we are going to get started now. Still no audio? I think it might be on your end. What does mostly mean? Can something be better? You can't hear me either? It's fine. You guys are trolling me, huh? Can't you just let a guy code? Alright. So, we're making a backend. I hope you guys can hear me. Making a backend for this. And we only need 2 routes. One is to save the state in some form. I'm not sure which. Probably JSON. We're going to be using a Mongodb backend. And then the other one to retrieve the state. So we'll be able to save the state, retrieve it at any point, and then we'll go from there. Y'all are messing with me. You guys are messing with me. Oh. Alright, let's get serious. On a serious note, I am not the biggest Express.js Mongodb guy. So, confession. I ChatGPT'd it. And I think I saved it. Yeah, here we go. It's pretty much a full roadmap to how we can do this. And, yeah, I'm just going to go through it verbatim. I have no reason not to. Basically, I'll just go through what I asked. I said, I have the following Three.js HTML program, which is our Lite Brite game. And I said, what would be the best way to incorporate an Express.js backend? And then I pasted just the HTML code. And I did that because I legit don't know the answer to that question. So, yeah. Anyway, it responded, to incorporate an Express.js backend with your Three.js HTML program, follow these steps. 1. Set up your project. Create a new directory for your project and initialize it with npm init. Alright, so we have to create a new directory. I think I'm going to create a new repo for this. Sounds like a pretty good idea. And you can't see my GitHub, so you'll just have to use your imaginations here. I'm pressing File, I'm clicking New Repository. I use GitHub Desktop, by the way. What am I going to name it? What should we name it? Light. No, wait, we can't name it Lite Brite, just in case it's copyrighted. We'll call it Brite Lite Full Stack. Brite Lite Full Stack. Full stack version of a child's game featuring colorful, the American spelling, light up pegs. Colorful light up pegs. Just realized this is a little bit funky here. See if I can fix that. Wait, where'd I go? Oh, there I am. Okay, cool. I'll just leave it, whatever. No sense in messing with it. Alright, so let's see. I'm clicking Create Repository in GitHub Desktop, and I have the repository. At this point, I could switch to Visual Studio Code. Damn it, open it in a new window. Why would it do that? I think if I do this and then do that again, it'll open it correctly. You see it? Alright, boo. Boo. Alright, let's see. Visual Studio Code, where the hell is it? There it is. A boom, a boom, a boom. Alright, here we are. Nice and blank. Nice and a blankety. So we go into the old terminal by pressing Control-tilde key. Oh, you still can't see my webcam? Oops. Sorry about that. Thank you for telling me. I appreciate it, brother. Alright, so Control-tilde will give you the terminal. That's the hotkey, unless you've changed it. Cheers, brother. Thank you. And so what we are supposed to do is npm init. So let's do that. And that should be creating a package.json file. Okay, package name, Bright Light Full Stack. Yeah, it sounds good. What do you think? Here, let's see. Hold on. I got too much junk on the screen. Hold on a second. Alright, y'all can see that. That's good. This thing is goofy. How do I get rid of that? There we go. Alright, version, yeah. Description. A 3D version of a child's game featuring colorful light up tags. Entry point. Index.js? Yeah, absolutely. Test command. Nothing. Git repository. Why, we just created one. Yet to be published. You know, I'm going to leave it blank actually because still not sure about making it. Still not sure about making it open source. That's my name, don't wear it out. License. What does that mean? Whatever, I can change it, yeah. Yes. What is license? Oh, man. I'm just gonna remove it. Whoa. Huh. That's the terminal. I do. Okay. That looks good to me. Alright, ChatGPT. What's the next step? Sorry, I'm fidgeting. One sec. There we go. Transition. We're transitioning. I'm gonna make it a little skinnier. There we go. Yeah, I think that's gonna work there. Of course, I gotta touch it. Alright, next thing. We have to install Express. Alright, let's install Express. Turn down the music. Alright. The npm install Express. Now we have to create the Express server. Okay, so a new file here, which index.js we have specified the entry point for our file, and it's given us a folder structure here that we could go ahead and implement. I don't know if we need node modules. Oh, we already have node modules. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so two main directories are node modules and public. So let's create a new folder, public. And in public, we will have assets, JS, and vendor. New folder, assets, new folder, JS, new folder, vendor. Okay. Within assets, we will have styles. And finally, within styles, we will have main.css, which we will leave blank for now. Over to JS, we have functions. The functions is where the functions are in the Lite Brite game. I'm not sure what it's doing, but I think I've liked everything so far, so let's just see where this takes us. Alright, what do I keep doing? Not the right thing. I mean to make a folder. So folder JS/functions, right? Yeah. And then finally a file, functions.js. Okay. And then outside of functions.js, we'll have main.js. And that's it for the JS. Donut from Hell. First of all, sweet name. Second of all, I have this Lite Brite game, Bright Light, if that's copyrighted and I'm in legal trouble. And what I'm trying to do right now is I'm integrating Express, Mongodb, Mongoose adapter in order to be able to save these pictures. And eventually somebody will be able to share them. Thank you for joining. Heart, heart. Heart, heart. All right, let's see. We're going to start a poll. And the poll is going to be, do you prefer desktop or mobile stream formats? Alright guys, on YouTube, vote now. Do you prefer desktop, which is what we're doing right now, or do you prefer mobile layouts for the stream? I think yesterday, the day before, pretty much all last week, we were doing the mobile layout. And today we're back to the desktop layout, which is better for Twitch. I don't think Twitch has a good mobile layout, or if they do, I don't know. Everybody was complaining about it last time. Yeah. Patrick Kropolewski. I think, yeah, that's accurate. So what I'll probably do in the future, I mean, I'll obviously respond to the poll. We want to get a good reading of my followers, because maybe my followers are more desktop people, who know. But I think technically on this format, you can at least turn your phone and it will look good. I mean, I can't imagine that it's any less fidelity than if it was upright. You know what I mean? I've done the exact same resolution. I've just turned it and shifted things around a little bit. Anyway, enough about that. So we're integrating Express.js and Mongodb and Mongoose in order to be able to save the state, which is, I'll show you. Maybe I won't show you because I'm in the wrong place. I'll show you later. Just tune in. The state is just what, you know, what has happened since you have started clicking on it. We're going to save the state in the database and then allow the user to retrieve the state, meaning they'll be able to save their pictures and retrieve them. It's going to be great for me too, because I at the beginning of this stream I have to draw these every time. A little bit of a time waster. If I can save them, then I can save 5 minutes. I mean, it doesn't take that long. Okay, so that's where we're at. We are currently organizing the folder structure. So we have ChatGPT'd this because we're not that familiar with Express and all that. And we're just going through the steps. I anticipate a few problems with our specific setup. Hopefully nothing that is terminal, except for the terminal itself. All right, so what do we got here? Vendor is where we're going to have our entire Three.js module, essentially. Dinosaurs dancing. Dinosaurs dancing on Twitch. Guys, do me a favor. If you can, go over to Twitch. Follow me on Twitch and get engaged on Twitch, because I need to get 5 people talking in Twitch. That's my goal. I need to get 5 people talking. And we already got Orbital Tooth over there coming in clutch on Twitch. Guys, I need to get 5 people chatting on Twitch. Who will join? Alright, so for the poll so far we got 3 votes, 100% desktop, which is no surprise because we're currently on desktop. No surprise there that we're getting people that prefer desktop. But I'll leave the poll open until the end of the stream, which, by the way, we're going long today, and we'll get a good feel for this crowd, and then I'll do another mobile stream, because I'm not going to lie to you guys, the subscribers really come in on the mobile stream. Like, people just pour in. It's like what Patrick Kropolewski was saying. Most web traffic is on a mobile phone, and it's just, I don't know, people just are on the toilet or something, and they have their phone and they're just thumbing through YouTube and they just see, oh look, there's a guy coding a game, and it's kind of cool. You know what I mean? That doesn't happen on a desktop. Usually you're playing Call of Duty, or you're, you know, doing your homework or something like that. I mean, probably procrastinating, so it does happen, but more likely you're procrastinating on your phone. You know what I mean? You got the homework on the computer, on the desktop. You got the YouTube on the phone. You're still on the phone. At least that's how I do it. That's how I avoid the, you know, network stuff at work. Just use my phone. Yeah, Orbital Tooth. We found each other when I was on mobile. So, yeah, cool story. So yeah, if you can, go on over to Twitch. I'll turn myself down a bit. If you can, go on over to Twitch. Follow me there. Get engaged. We need to get 5 people talking. It's one of my Twitch things that I got to do. My little checklist for that. I don't know. Make you jump through hoops. What are you going to do? All right. So new folder here. Back to this. Three.js. And that other stuff, we're going to deal with that in a little bit. That's not a folder. We need a folder. Three.js. Okay. Now, I think this is available as an actual package. You know? That's worth looking into rather than just having the entire... Because that's what I'm doing right now. That's what I would be doing here. So let me look into that. Let's go npm 3.js. Here it is. I think this is what we want. Art requests? Maybe in an hour, maybe in a few hours. I don't know. I know that's what people are into, but I got to get this game done. I got to get it done because then once I get it done, then you all can play it. Then you can fulfill your own art requests. And you can't do that really until you can save it. Or at least I don't think so. So yeah, let me cook and let's get this thing going. Yes, I just said that. All right, well, I'm gonna take a go at this. I'm gonna commit what I have now, which is not much. How is it so much? I need to modify the get ignore. Let's see. I don't even have a get ignore. ChatGPT. Here, I'll just do this. Yeah, I think that looks good. So new file here, dot get ignore. Paste all that, save it, and boom. Cleans it up quite a bit. All right. This is a pretty good commit. Let's just call it scaffolding. Best word? No. Whatever. All right, and I committed that because I want to try installing via npm Three.js rather than hosting it on my own repository, which is kind of stupid. npm i3. -- save. Camera still on? Okay, cool. Bro's cooking a 5-star dish. I hope so. If anything, it'll just be really good. More like a snack food that everybody loves. Or like a chocolate bar. Maybe not a steak dinner. We have plenty of time to make steak dinners in the future. But I don't know. Start small. Crawl. Baby steps. Then we can fly. In that order. So far on the poll, we got 5 votes. All of them for desktop. But again, no surprise. We're on a desktop stream. Chefu, what am I building? Thank you for asking. So we've already built the front end for a Three.js Lite Brite children's game. and it's mostly good. That's a bug right there, though. Can't. Oh, my keyboard is unplugged. Not a bug. There we go. There we go. No, it's still not working. Either that or my controls. Anyway, right now we're building an Express.js Mongodb backend for it so that we can save these pictures and, you know, share them on Facebook or Twitter, Instagram, whatever you have it. And people are going to be redirected to our website for SEO purposes and for integrity purposes, just to make sure people are, you know, where they should be. You know what I mean? To the up to the date version of the game. We don't have to worry about distribution. We're hosting this as a website, pretty much. It'll be deployed with GitHub. Very simple. Why not SQLite? No particular reason at all. I just already have an existing MongoDB Atlas instance that I could easily just set up into. And I think when it comes to JavaScript, you really do want to go MongoDB because it stores as JSON, and JSON it translates back and forth to JavaScript objects just so seamlessly. So, yeah, dude, I would definitely JavaScript project, MongoDB. Nothing wrong with SQLite, especially with something which is just something that's going to require two methods: storing the state and retrieving the state. That's it. Deleting the state, possibly. Oh, is it too much talking? Not like this. Anyway, I'm trying to get people engaged on Twitch. So far, we got Orbital Tooth coming in clutch with all the messages on Twitch. He is really killing it there. And we're trying to get people over there because I need to get 5 people talking in Twitch. I'm not even sure. Do I count? Yo, my keyboard keeps dying. Hold on. Might need to switch out keyboards. Yeah, I plugged it into it. I think I have a bad port. I got a loose port. Oh, it's not good when you have a loose port. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Alright, so we'll go ahead and make this the initial commit. Or we already did. That's great. Package lock JSON. We do want to commit that. I used to think you're not supposed to commit that, but you do want to commit that. And right here we have our Three.js dependency coming in. Alright, so what are we going to do? So the entry point here is in index.js. So let's keep going on the ChatGPT route. GitHub link, I haven't made it public yet, and I'm still debating on it because I do plan on publishing this game and making it my property. So I'm not sure if I do want to make the repository yet on this project, but the next one that we do together probably we'll make it open source from the top. This one is kind of, I'm sort of using it for, you know, it's also the game. It's also a game that I'm gonna own, basically. All right. Anyway, back to the chat. She is sad. Yeah. Look, I'm still thinking about it. All right, I'm still thinking about it. You know, if you're really determined, you could watch all the streams and you can see all the code on there. But yeah, that takes too much time. Who's got time for that? But brother, let me think about it, brother. Let me think about it. You watch from Nepal? Greetings. How's the weather in Nepal? Is it Nepal? Is it cold? It's hot here. It's like probably 95 degrees right now in Florida, United States. All right, back to the ChatGPT tutorial. All right. This is what is supposed to go in our index.js. So we will copy it and we will look and see what's in it real quick. So we have const express require express, that brings in our express dependencies. Const path require path. I guess, yeah, that's another dependency. App instance of express. Port, we're leaving at 3000. No big whoop. And then we also have the capability to do a .env. So process.env.port. We'll probably, I don't see any real reason to do that now. When we deploy to production, that might matter. I'm really not sure how that's going to go. Oh, it's hot in Nepal? Well, I guess it's hot all around the world. I think that Nepal, you guys are pretty close to the equator as well. So that makes sense. Okay, now we have app, which is the instance of express, and we are calling the .use function, and we are passing in express.static path.join, and the comment says serve static files from the public directory. Okay, so we are going to have our public directory, and that's where we're going to have our index.html file, I believe, just like right on it. I don't remember seeing that from our tree structure. Orbital Tooth wonders how it's hot in Nepal because it's mountains, and I was kind of thinking when I asked what it was cold, that's kind of what I was picturing too. Is like when I think of Nepal, I think of Mount Everest, and when I think of Mount Everest, I think it's cold. But I guess probably not all of Nepal is Mount Everest. It's a smaller country, but it's still a big country. I don't know. What do I know? What do I know? All right. Back to our index.js file right here. So we're serving the static HTML files via this line, and then here is the get request that we have. So app.get, that means that we have this route available to us, and it's something that we can actually test immediately. So let's see. So we can run node, and let's just put like h1. Let's go with hello world, right? That's good enough for me. And then let's run it. I don't see anything. Oh, I think I have to save it. There we go. Now we should be able to go to localhost 3000, and there we go. There's our index.html file. Perfect. So at this point, we are good for another commit, and this will be express and 3 and index.js, whatever. All right, moving right along. Oh, I might have to get up and do some stretches soon. Are you guys still here? Oh, let me know if you're still here. Oh, man. Sitting in a chair is not a weak man's game. It's really not. Which is funny to say. All right, guys. Let's see. So we got 7 votes on the poll. Not good news for mobile. All desktop. But again, I think we have a biased bunch. We got a bunch of desktopers. All right. What's up? All right, we are going to move right along because we can. So we committed that. Yep, that looks good. Hello, diddle. And the next thing, excuse me, is we need to bring in our boilerplate HTML. Orbital tooth. Go over to the poll and vote. Vote for mobile. Put one in for mobile. Maybe more mobile people will join. I don't know. That's probably not true. It doesn't make any sense. Why would that be a thing? I hope that you are staying cool, Marcus from Nepal. Orbital tooth, you gotta go. No worries, brother. We'll be on for a while. So, yeah. Come back. Come back when your phone is charged. All right. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. I was wrong, and I just can't live without you. Love that song. All right, so we need to open a new VSC, or, you know, I'm in here, and you guys can see this, so I probably want to just do into the same one, even though I don't like doing that. Just do it. So we'll go File, Open, Folder. And what the hell is it called? Bright Light? Yeah. So we need to open up this one. And we got to move this code from here to our Express.js application to make sure it works. That's the first step. We're straying away from the ChatGPT stuff. Now, we got this. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to need this extra stuff. I'm already... like, and since I already need the extra stuff, I might as well just bring it all over. You know what I mean? So let's go into the vendor folder, Three.js. And I know you guys can't see that. That's because I can't do this in Visual Studio Code. And I'm not fumbling through all these things right now. It's too hot. I'm turning down my AC. Letting it blast in my face. Dang, if this doesn't start popping off, I might just go to mobile stream. I don't know. We'll do a little bit of both. We'll do a little bit of both. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Okay, so the other repository, man, that's a lot of code, but that's not ours, thank God. That's just Three.js. I'm just gonna go the easy route, and I'm just gonna stick it in my repository. What do you think? It's like the extras thing just does, it sends it for me. It really does. All right, reveal this one, Explorer. So we're just moving all this stuff. I know you can't see that. I apologize. So I'm moving all of my Three.js dependencies into my new repository. All right, now I'm gonna remove Three.js. I'm gonna uninstall it. I'm gonna go to the command line. I forget how to do this. Oh, just npm uninstall. Man, that's fast. You gotta love an i9 processor. got to love an i9 processor. If you have one, then you have to love it. And if you don't have one, you should probably love it anyway, because it's amazing. Is it hot? Yes. Is it overkill? Absolutely. Does it kick ass? You bet your sweet ass it does. Alright guys, let's keep going. I'm having fun. So we just uninstalled 3. We moved all the manual 3 files in because I'm more confident that that's going to work. And we're going to commit that. 615 files. Don't ever do this, by the way. I don't recommend this. I just... short attention span. Okay. 3 manual, even though that's not even the right term. It's not manual. It's like I'm committing the manual for Three.js. That's not correct. No, no, no. Finger waggle, finger waggle. Ha ha ha. Still 7 votes on the poll. We got 100% desktop. It's not even close. Is there anybody out there who's like on the desktop and they're like, man, I wish I was on the phone right now? I don't think so. Probably the other way around though. Probably the other way around. The problem is, the real problem is, it just doesn't seem to transmit the same way in YouTube. It's like people like, they just aren't even pushing it at all. I don't know, dude. And then I need these like longer videos so that I can make money from YouTube. I don't know. I'm not even really interested in making money from YouTube. I just enjoy this. It's pretty sweet. It'd be nice to make money, but like I'm sure that'll come. All right. Y'all give me a second. Hold on. What are you guys doing today? I guess why would somebody be on a desktop computer on a Saturday? I don't know, man. People are doing it. People are doing it. Exactly. Oh yeah, I'm watching my own stream. You bet you, man. I gotta get people on. I gotta get y'all on. You know what I mean? Alright, well, coding might help. Might help to code. Channel's called Coding Things in Real Life, damn it. Why isn't this guy coding? Is this channel called Talking Things in Real Life? Why is this guy talking? Shut up and code. Okay. Alright. Index HTML. Hopefully this will just port. Hopefully it'll just port. It kind of looks like it will. Can we be optimistic for a second and just assume that it will? Can we do that? Are we allowed to be optimistic in this crazy world? I don't know. Here. It's doing something. Oh, it's refusing to connect. Uh-oh. Module not found. We need to orbital tooth. That was quick. You must have one. I guess it's you. I guess you're back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? La da da. Bro, I love that song. Yeah, Dino Dance. Microphone. Do you do Twitch a lot? Because if you're like a Twitch guy, if you do Twitch, then I could seriously use some tips for Twitch, because yeah, I'm kind of struggling on there. I'm kind of dumb when it comes to Twitch. I spend all my time coding and not learning about Twitch. I know the interactions help. I know it's just like with anything else, you know. You're new to Twitch. Yeah, nobody's on Twitch. I don't think I am this close to kicking Twitch. No pun intended. I am this close to kicking Twitch. Possibly going to kick. Oh, bro, I'm not worried. I'm not worried about it. I'm not even worried about like making it or whatever. I just don't want to waste my time. And Twitch is kind of seeming like a waste of time. But you know what? I'm gonna give it a chance today. This is my long stream. I'm just gonna let it go. Maybe something will happen. Maybe something will happen. Maybe the stream fairy will come in and sprinkle some streamy pixie dust all over my face. Give me a bunch of viewers. Or something. Something like that happened recently. I don't really want to talk about it specifically for fear of ramifications. I'll talk about it, whatever. I woke up this morning and there's like 1,000 followers on Twitch. That's the whole reason why I'm even on Twitch again. 1,000 followers, and I was like, damn, that's crazy. You know, I must have blown up, man. Somebody must have tweeted me or something. I looked it up. I'm a victim of a bot farming scheme where they have to follow somebody in order to keep from getting banned. I'm just gonna leave it there because I assume that helps me in some way. Or at least I did. It just seems like we're not doing anything right now. We have Orbital Tooth, but you came from YouTube, so I mean, no organic Twitch traffic whatsoever. I think people are just not interested in this software development category or something. I don't know. Rant over. I'm just gonna make sure that Twitch stream is working correctly. I appreciate the dinosaurs. Alright, I'm going to Twitch. Looking at my stream info. Editing it. Everything's there. I mean, there's currently only 3,000 people on in this category. So, I mean, like, whatever. Maybe I should change the category. I think I did that at one point. I changed the category to art, and then people were, like, interested. I'll do that. I think there's more art people on Twitch. More art people on Twitch than code people. We can figure that out. Alright. Enough talking about that. Alright. So we have an error here. And we have module not found. I'm guessing we forgot to install a dependency. So let's look into that. This is the wrong repo I'm looking at. Perfect. Here we go. Index.js. Oh, I was on the wrong thing. Perfect. Yeah, the other one's me. I'm the other viewer. I don't know. I think so. I think I count. I think I count. I think I count. I think I count. Hey, if there's anybody on Twitch, we're trying to get people to talk. We're trying to get 5 people talking. Let's discuss something. How do I do that? Is there a way to do this? Turn on highlight chat settings. Blah, blah. No, that's not what I want. No, I can't do anything interactive here. Just like post these things. Eee, ginger power. I'm not a ginger. I'm not even close. I get mistaken for a Mexican a lot. I'm not. I'm more Mediterranean than Mexican. I'm more hero than taco. Okay. So we are running. There was no error. That was my bad. And boo. All right, what's the haps? What's going on? Just the fave icon? I don't think so. No, I don't think so. So we don't even have, do we have the, we do have the title, so that's good. We're reaching the HTML page. That's really good. And let's take a look at our sources. Let's see if we have the proper sources. I don't think that we do. Here, if we can open this in the new tab, then we do, but we don't, as you can see. Okay, and that's because we still need to integrate this. Okay, well, I mean, that's good news. We forgot a pretty big and important step. So let's remember it now. Alright, so let me take the code from the old main.js. I'm just going to copy it all. There it is. That's the old code. And all the old files, you know, you can't see this, but I am in the old directory, which is called Bright Light. I'm in the JS, and I'm just going to copy all of the functions. Can I just paste them like this? Yes, I can. Where are they again? Yes. There we go. Alright, so we got main. And I think main requires functions. But we have functions copy. And we don't need functions copy, so let's get rid of that. Alright, well. Here's to hoping, right? Well, there's the main.js. That's a really good sign. And here's the game. A couple of things missing, a couple of assets, but overall I'd say I'm pretty pleased with that. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you like the new look of the Lite Brite game? I think it's a little bit too white. Like, it overwhelms the... I'm just kidding, this is not the new game. The HDR image is not showing up. The cube map image, excuse me, it's a cube map. I'm learning. As you can see, the texture is also not showing up. Very, very interesting little thing that we got going here. That's why you got to tune into the streams. And there's the circle we made on the last stream. It's very avant-garde. What do you think, Orbital Tooth? Is it hurting your eyes? Might be hurting your eyes. Well, this is good news. We have this running on a server right now. I think it looks cool too. It's just, you know, it's not really gonna fly. Okay, let's restore things. What do we got in the console? 9 errors. Sounds about right. So here we're looking for assets, textures, black mesh. We don't have that. So let's bring it in. And now that I know we don't need 2 folders, it's going to make it a lot easier. So I'm back in the old folder. And I'm just going to copy all of the assets. It was a mistake doing the scaffolding earlier. I just didn't realize that it was going to port so smoothly, and I'm super stoked about it. Honestly. Super stoked. Styles copy. Yeah, no, we don't want styles copy. We just want styles. Not Harry. There we go, fully restored game. Hit the like button or something. I don't know. We're one step closer. So, just to review, right now what we have here is our Lite Brite game running on an Express.js instance. First step to creating this and deploying it to a server and being able to connect it to a database, save the state, and share it with all of your friends. So I'm super stoked about the progress. This has been super easy. I'm very happy that I shamelessly chat GPT'd the list of steps. And I didn't even really like follow them. I kind of intuitively knew where to go at one point. So we'll have to skip through and see what else we need, because we still need to set up Mongoose. I still need to set up a connection. I have a connection string somewhere, but you can't see it. It's private. But I think for now I'm going to take a little break. And especially now that I can actually draw something, I'm going to get something drawn and take a little break. What do you say? Am I good to take a break? All right. I'm going to put something on the screen, though. Have I just been without the VSC the whole time? That sucks. Let me fix that. Looks goofy as hell. Alright, VSC, where are you? Where are you? Why can't I see it? Why are my eyes so bad? There we go. Alright, and that should be good and situated. What do we got? Some rectangles. I always go with height of 16, width of 12. But I'll make this one bigger. Let's go with 24 and 16. 16. There we go. Oh, damn it, the chat's in the way. There we go, we can get it there. Boom. Alright, so let's shrink it down half and half. Less than half, though, like 10 and what? 6? Yeah. erase the top. It's got to be shorter than that. Height of 8. I gotta move this window for my sake. R. I know it's a P right now. B. Lite Brite game is not on point today. That's alright. I'm getting so many damn yellows. Whatever. How does it look? How do I scoot it? There we go. I can scoot it like that. Oh, B looks dumb up there. I don't know, can you even tell that's a B? Maybe I need to like recess this part a little bit. I don't know, it looks goofy. Yeah, that's better. Just clear up these little points there. And clear that up. Yeah, I can't wait till I can save these, but it's right around the corner. We already got the Express server set up, so it's just a matter of doing the Mongodb stuff. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet, if I do say so myself, my friends. Here, let's have this staring off into space like that. There we go. How about you? How about now? Or when I come back, I'll take art requests. Let me put the word out in the chats. Pin that message. We got 11% on mobile. I'm pretty sure that's only 1 out of 9 votes. So yeah, 1 person. 9 votes though. That's pretty strong. I should do more polls on YouTube. YouTube is a better streaming platform than Twitch. I'm just gonna throw that out there. Alright guys. We'll say 15 minutes, right? "15 minutes. Alright guys, be right back. What up? We're back. Day Hunter, first time chat. What's up? Thanks for joining. We are making a backend for our Three.js Lite Brite game. Orbital Tooth, thank you for vouching for me, brother. I appreciate that a lot. Looks like we got more votes. 12 votes. 12 votes are in right now, and it looks like we are at desktop 75% and mobile 25%. Mobile is catching up. Who's gonna win? Cast your votes now. All right, so as I mentioned, when we come back, we'll be taking art requests. Elections. Yeah, no, not here. Not here, brother. Just polls. Just polls. The good kind of polls. These polls don't lie. These polls don't lie. Yeah. Any art requests? Orbital. You got something you want to see? Yeah, no pressure. We can always go do more coding and let you think about it. Draw the French flag. Nice, easy start. I like a nice, easy start. All right, so the French flag. I'm going to get the colors right because it's very similar to another flag. Bonjour, monsieur. I don't speak French. Ne parlez-vous français? Not at all. I think my camera just died. 1 second. Oh. Nope, dang it. Where we at? Yep. There we go. Alright. Le français. How do you say flag in French? Wait, this is the wrong game. Alright, so I'm gonna look this up so that I'm not making a fool out of myself here. Okay, so where are we at? French flag. Blue, white, red. Simple enough. Let's go 12 and 16 on a rectangle. Can't see it, hold on. Rectangle. I think it should be bigger. Yeah, there we go. Take up the whole screen, why not? So it was blue, white, and red, right? And double check. I don't know what happened. I may be suffering from poor connection. Anyway, blue, white, and red. I'd say those need to be skinnier too. Congrats on 1K on Twitch. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's kind of like a bot thing though. I appreciate it though. I appreciate it. The French flag is actually wide. Okay. No, this is just a segment of it. I don't know if that's clear. You'll see. Okay, so it's blue. Here, I think I can move these actually. These don't have to stay. Let me just double check and make sure they're still on the screen for y'all. Okay, perfect. Now I can see everything. Perfect. Blue, white, and red. Let's get our blue color. It's kind of like this. Blue, and then our white color. Easy. White. And then our red color, which we already had, but like that. See, that's too wide, I believe. We're gonna start over. Actually, I can just, what is it, 24? Yeah, that was too wide. No big deal. So we'll go with 16. 24. I think that's still too wide. We'll go with 14, 24. Yeah, I think 14, 24 is going to be it. But we want to scale it up a little bit because we don't want this to be a puny flag. Look at all this space that we have. But I don't know. That's fine. We can just zoom in. Actually, I don't want this to break. Especially, do you think you want it filled in or... Figure that out in a second. Yeah, filled in. Alright, well, I think we can do that pretty easily here. Let's do 7 and 12 there on the blue. Sacre bleu. I think these rectangles are still wrong. That looks like way too much. It looks like way too many. Just do that. And we'll figure it out. There you go, brother. Viva la français. Oh, come on, stop that. Hold on, I'll fix it. Don't worry, I'll fix it. I'm not trying to desecrate your flag. There we go. Nuclear symbol is next. I think I'm going to do some more coding, and then we'll take another art request, unless there's one from YouTube. You got to remember, I stream every day, too, so definitely plenty. And I think that the nuclear symbol in particular, I want to be able to do more with the shapes before I'm able to draw that one. Man, I really like the way that looks, though. Should I decorate it with something? How about some quote-unquote stars, which are just circles of 2? Circles of 2, circles of 3. Uh-oh. Filled circles of 3. 4? Oh. Not the flag itself. I meant like outside of the flag. I'm not gonna desecrate the flag, bro. Tasteful, you know, not too much. I don't know, I kind of prefer it without, to be honest. Yeah, it just is too noisy. I prefer it without all the quote-unquote stars. They look like little popcorns, to be honest. Oops. Boop. Alright. Vive la française. Alright. I'm going to leave that up there. And I'm just going to get a whole bunch of French people to join. They're going to think I'm French. I don't have a problem with that. That's cool. Pardon my French, but I don't speak French. Oops. Damn, the whole time? That's crazy. I can't believe I'm sitting here talking and you couldn't hear me. Oh well, whatever. French flag. There's the French flag. Yeah. Did I just do that? Was it always like that? I don't know. It doesn't matter. I'll figure it out. When I go back and edit it, I'll figure it out. All right. Back to the back end. Back to the back end, back to the back end, back to the back end, back to the back end. What? Yeah, man, this is all my music. I wrote it in FL Studio. Am I blurry? I'm looking a little blurry, aren't I? I gotta fix that. 1 second. We're dealing with millimeters here. Millimeters in calibration. I gotta blow that up. 1 second. It is pretty damn blurry. Still. That's good. Here, I'll just move there. Yeah, that works. Nah, I gotta scale it back a little bit. 1 second. Oh, there we go. I think that's better. It's as good as it's going to get right now. I can't do this all day. Damn it. It's still not good. Yeah, hold on. Too much. A little bit more. There we go. That's gonna work. That's gonna work. Proud French noises. What does that sound like? Ho ho ho. Sorry. I don't mean to be offensive. The last chairbender. He's so crazy. Alright, man, what say we finish this so you can play with it? Uh-oh. Hey, check it out. 14 votes on the poll. 36% on mobile. 36%. That's a significant jump. I'd say it's pretty significant given that, like, how long has it been? How long have we been doing it? My battery died once. So it's been at least an hour and a half. And at least an hour and a half. Alright, Orbital, man. I appreciate you. You're a top dog, man. Once I get something going, man, I'll make you king. Peace up. Alright, well, time to get this French flag off of the screen since he's not around anymore. I'll post a short of me making this so that you can keep it. And then also, yeah, it's once the game is live, we will once the game is live, you'll be able to save your own stuff, so it'll be sweet. All right, back to work, guys. Back to work. All right. French flag. What can we transform it into? I said I wasn't going to desecrate homie's flag, so I'm not going to do that. Promise is a promise is a promise, my friends. But what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Well, let's get a frame going. Let's get an interesting green color. Now we're going to need some circles. A little bit thicker. What goes good with this green color? Maybe this color? That's the one we're going with. And a rectangle. This time 12. And I don't know, 47. And we can reduce the width to 1. I think that's too much. Oops. Took out too much. Control Z is a bit of a problem. No worries. Alright, so once again, reduce the width down to 1. And let's drop the height to 10. So we don't make that same mistake again. And we'll clear that out. Make it a little bit more mellow. Not so many lines. And yeah, this is a robot. Somebody said I needed a Discord bot. So here he is. I'm still figuring out how he's a Discord bot, but I'd say a robot has square eyes. Square pupils, if it has pupils at all. Possibly triangle? And clean it up a little bit. I don't see much need to go very much further than that other than this. Now, we can try something. I'm not sure how well it's going to work. Circle. A little bit smaller. Yeah, let's just go like this. I am concentrating more than I ever have in my entire life. Just so you know. Alright. Get rid of that one. Don't expect this to be accurate, by the way. Alright, now we want a rectangle that has a width of 1 and a height of less than that. What, 4 then? No, it's gonna be 5. That's pretty good. You can even do a little bit better with the ones. What up, Moby Dick? Thanks for joining. Do you have any art requests, brother? Thank you, brother. Thank you for dropping by, interacting. Take care. There's a little mistakey right here. Can we just pretend that it's not there? Docker logo. Alright, let me screenshot this, and then I'll have to look up the Docker logo. Cheers, Moby Dick. Again, thank you so much. What is this crap? Nice. A lot of love on Twitter. We're going to make this an ad for the stream. We're going to try to bring people to Twitch because, for the love of God, I cannot get people into my Twitch stream. I should probably specify that we're taking art requests. The eyes are a little off, but whatever. So let's look up that Docker logo, huh? Oh, damn, that's a tough one, huh? I like it. I like it. I'm just gonna do the weird decapitated whale. Is that what it is? Yeah, okay, it's a whale carrying some boxes. I thought it was a decapitated whale. My brother, I thought it was a decapitated whale. Hey, Orbital Studios, what's going on? How do you like my robot? Ooh. 011. Is that real binary? I don't want to... This is supposed to be a coding channel. I don't want to offend anybody who's like sensitive to bad binary or whatever. I don't know, dude. Oh, you can't even see it. Hold on, there it is. There it is. 011011010. I think it's binary. I think it is. It starts with 0. It ends with 0. That's wrong. That's incorrect. That's bad binary. I don't think binary ends with 0. Can binary end with 0? 7 out of 10. That is a fair rating, and I'll take it. All right, we got a request though. We got another request, so I'm gonna do that one, and then if you have one, maybe we'll do that next. I don't think this one's gonna take me very long. Oh, 8 out of 10. Hey, I'll take it. 8 out of 10. Round of applause for me. All right, so right now we're doing the Docker logo, which is this. I thought it looked like a decapitated whale, but it's actually just carrying the stuff straight. Makes sense to me. I don't think the binary translate. I don't think binary ends in a 0, but again, I'm not a binary guy. Mostly high level, so. Anyway, so Docker logo. Get this done. Gotta get like a nice blue. Might be too blue. I think this is the blue we want to go with right here. And then I want to start with a circle, which we'll mostly be erasing from. A pretty big circle. I think that's gonna do. All right, now before we go any further, rectangle, so that we can recess part of it, or just delete it, whatever. Half of it, like that. We didn't need to be so dramatic with the size of the rectangle, but whatever. Okay, the next part is this like taily thing right here. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the love. All right, next part is this taily thing right here. I got to close out some of these windows. Let's do that. Bye-bye, Twitter. Bye-bye, Twitter. All right, so the taily things are going to be little circles at first. So it's going to be two little circles. And that's too small to be a circle. That's going to have to be it. And we're just going to use the point to take out pieces. It's almost there. I'm not satisfied with that. That's going to be the closest that I'm going to be able to get it. Right there. Some of this is a little wonky too. Now, how many... I closed out of it. So we have 5 boxes on the bottom. 5 boxes on the bottom. So I'm guessing that's going to be a rectangle, a really small one. Maybe like 3, 3. That's too small. 4, 4. I'm going 4, 4. 2, 3, 4. Ah, we went too big. Dang it. Hold on. Took out some of my whale too. Here, hold on. Let me adjust myself again. Fix my whale. Back. Last time there was so many bugs. Yeah, man, that's what development is, man. You develop. Yo, Cellware, good to see you, brother. You develop something, it has bugs, and then you fix them, and then they're not there anymore. And yeah, man, I'm glad I'm doing this like live on stream too. So, Cellware, I'm making the Docker logo, which looks like this. I'm doing great, man. We're going long today. We already got the server kind of going. We're stuck in 2009. Hey, man, there's no problem with that. No problem at all. All right. 2009 was an amazing year for me. An amazing year. I had like my first girlfriend and stuff. It's great. Great year, dude. Okay, so we need to go 3, 3 on the rectangle. And not make it look like a clown. All right, and I... Filled, yeah. I feel like it needs to be in the middle-ish too, now that it's smaller. 1, 2, 3. Still a little bit too much. Let's go with 1 on the spacing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. We can't get it any better than that. Okay, and then 1 up. We got 3 here. And then on the last one, there's a top one, a third level. What do you think? Who requested this? Moby Dick. Yo, Moby Dick, what do you think? Cheers. Well, for the people who are here, what do you think? It was an amazing year for almost everyone. I'm not so sure about that. I think that there might have been an economic recession going on. I think there was a lot of, I mean, not for me, I was in high school, so I was sick. But, yeah, man, I think a lot of people were hard up in 2009. I'm not so sure. You did say almost, so you qualified that. All right, copy to clipboard. Looking good, looking good. Any other art requests? Twitch, what's going on, Twitch? We're looking for art requests. We're looking for art requests. Got a new follower. That's cool. That's cool. I'm gonna try to bait people into joining me on Twitch. I'm so dumb, I can't like remember how to type things. I don't remember my Twitch URL. I just don't keep it in my memory at all. I'm gonna move on this. A pan cooking an omelet. I love it, dude. I really love it. I love it. All right, a pan cooking an omelet. An omelet. Can I do sunny side up instead of an omelet? I shouldn't have left that little hover there. Oh well. That's not perfect, but that's damn near perfect. The icon was good. The Docker one. Thank you, if that's what you're saying. You need a Google logo? What do you mean? Cellware, I'm right now the work that I'm doing once I'm done with these art requests is yep. Yeah, so I was just about to say, once I'm done with these art requests, what I'm doing is I'm putting this up on an Express.js server so that I can deploy it to my server. So very soon we'll be able to play this game, and then you guys will be able to test it and then like let me know what still doesn't work. Be pretty cool. And right now I'm making it to where you can save your artwork and then either come back to it or share it as a link. And for that, what we need is a database and Express.js. And right now, we got Express.js already set up. It's here. Wait, is that the right? No, that's the wrong. I gotta switch that over. One sec. I'll just go over to it. Open. So we go File, Open Folder. Oh God, I'm lost. I got way too many folders on here. I do way too many projects that I never finish. I never finish them. I can't see it, dude. I can't see it. You're gonna make an animation? You know what I thought about actually like making it to where you could make a frame by frame animation? That'd be pretty sick, dude. But something like that's super like gonna be like, that's gonna be a time consumer, man, and I got a full-time job, so I can't, you know what I mean, I can only do so much. But this is gonna be super fun. I promise you guys are gonna love it. I have so much fun playing this game. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, and I'm not even a good artist or anything like that, you know. Like, I suck at drawing and stuff, but like I can do this. It's easy. You know, it's just pixel art. I can't really read that. Hold on. On bright light. Yeah, brother. It'd be sweet to be able to offer that feature like native, like a frame editor, you know? Anyway, whatever. You love it, and you love me, not sexual. But you didn't have to say that. But I appreciate it either way, sexual or not. I do appreciate it. If sexual, though, I am married and I have to happily decline. Not happily decline. Sorry, that's the wrong thing. I have to politely decline. Sorry, I didn't want to sound like delightfully declining you. No. But no, I know you didn't mean it that way. I'm just rambling on. No, dude, I like to hear that kind of stuff. Yeah, that makes sense too. Honestly, like if you wanted this, it would be very easy for you to animate this. Like you can just erase it and you know, draw it like slightly offset. Like if I wanted to make these boxes like float up or whatever, you know. Yo, what's up, guys? If you guys aren't already on Twitch, go over to Twitch right now. We're trying to get 5 people talking in the chat at once. So, what's up, people? We need 5 people talking in the Twitch chat to make the Twitch overlords happy. The evil Twitch overlords will be pleased by our offering of chats. How do I know that they're evil? I don't know, dude. I don't know if they're evil. Nice, I appreciate y'all. That's funny, your name is Orbital Studios, and there's another dude, I think his name is Rusterize here, but his name is Orbital Tooth. You'll probably see his messages up there. It's crazy. It's a coincidence. Interesting coincidence. Hey, there's Orbital Tooth right now. What's up, brother? What's up? Oh, oops. Having the keyboard on my lap kind of sucks. What up, Twitch party? Hold on, let me open mine up too. Gotta Twitch myself. There we go. Now I'm on my own Twitch. Oh. Yeah, dude, twin orbitals. Yo, what's up, 400s? What up? That's somebody. Which one of you is that? Or is that just somebody? Is that a different person? I don't know. That's awkward if it is. If it is, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Always welcome. Let's see. Alright, let's get away from here. We got stuffs to do, right? We got things to do. This is my robot art that I made right here. Pretty sick. And then the Docker logo. Did we ever get another request? Anybody got another art request? We also did the French flag, but sadly I think I got rid of it. Bro, I need more Twitch followers. For real, for real. Yeah, you and me too, bro. Oh wait, no, I just got a bunch of fake followers. Like they did like this crazy mass follow thing on me. Yeah. I have 1K followers. Yesterday I had 30. I don't know, dude. I swear to God that wasn't me. Like I'm not. Here's what I did. Let me tell you exactly what I did, and maybe it has something to do with this. Here, I'm gonna turn this down so I can explain this. This is the exact sequence of events that went on. So I streamed every day on Twitch for like a week. What job am I doing? Like in real life? I'm an engineer, a software engineer. Yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so like, bro, I was just like I was streaming on Twitch for like a week, and then I said I'm not gonna do that anymore. I'm gonna do mobile streaming on YouTube only. And before I left the last stream on Twitch, I was mentioning it. I was like, you know, I'm kind of fed up with Twitch. And then like I go a few days without streaming, and then like I actually probably like a week. And then yesterday I just have 1,000 followers just randomly. To me, it's really sus. And yeah, you might want to follow the same pattern. Honestly, they might be blessing me with followers just so I don't leave. And you know what? I'm back. So, what's up, Cellware? What's up, Cellware? What do you mean? What job am I doing? You mean like what are we doing with the Lite Brite today? We're trying to make a backend for it. Little backend fourth. Get it? Just don't look at my followers. Don't worry. No. We're not doing that today. Sussy. Yeah, dude. But it was not me though. Like I didn't do that. Why would I overinflate myself? Like it doesn't even translate to people coming and joining the stream apparently. Like I still have to get people over here by like you know. Anyway. What up? I don't know if we've done it yet. We had one rando earlier. Pretty sweet. No, that was Orbital. Orbital was the rando. Wait. And then we had Day Hunter. Yo, what's up? But I think Day Hunter probably left because I was out. Sucks, dude. That's what's up, man. I appreciate all that. The Minecraft guy. This thing. Alright, so what do you think? Any more art requests, or are we good to get back to coding? I'll leave it up to y'all. Art requests or coding? I know, dude. You did your part, brother. You did everything you could. I appreciate you. He might have followed. I haven't even checked. Starting to care less, to be honest. Because honestly, the YouTube in the mobile format is like... Yeah, Cellware, bro. It was just... the Twitch fairy came and just gave me a bunch of followers. It's insane, dude. I had 30 yesterday, and now I have 1,000. I don't know what it is, dude. Probably looks like I did that. I didn't. I didn't do it. I pinky promise. Nah, I try to stay honest. Orbital Studios employee. Alright, man. It was good to see you. Nice having you join. See you next time. Or maybe just later today. Who knows? That didn't mean to be a question mark. That question mark was a typo. My bad. Lots of love for you, brother. Lots of love for my brother. I don't know, dude. I'm about to give up on Twitch here. Let's see. 2 hours and 20 minutes? I usually see these crazy streamers going on for like 14 hours, dude. Thanks for buying 1K followers. Thanks for buying 1K followers. Nah, bro, I didn't do that. I think I'm being extorted. I think I'm being extorted, bro. Yeah, dude. Yeah, no, I did not buy followers, bro. I don't even have any money. Nah, I didn't buy followers, dude. I swear to God, they just randomly subscribe to me. I think it's like an extortion scheme or something. I think they're trying to get me like kicked off or something. I'm about to report it. Man, I'm gonna do it right here on stream. I didn't realize they were gonna come into the chat and try to extort me out of this crap, dude. I'm not gonna play that. Here. What is it? I don't know where anything is. Privacy Center, maybe? Don't lie, you sack of shit. Yeah, alright, well, see what happens. See what happens, brother. I can't ban them. There's like thousands of them, dude. There's like thousands of them. Maybe there is a way to mass ban them. Hold on. You know what? This shit is not even worth it, though. Like, I thought you guys were going to help me out, and then you guys are going to extort me. Or I should say you, one person. You're going to extort me out of my money. It makes me not want to be on this platform anymore. Yeah, dude. What a terrible experience. I want to be doing my job right now. I want to be coding. But, make you a mod? There's an idea. But I have to get them off of my, follower. I gotta give them off my followers. Here, hold on. I don't think you can do that for me. I appreciate it, though. This sucks, though. Fucking assholes. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice, dude. Yeah, that's nice. That's super nice. Alright, Twitch is getting shut down right now. I'm tired of this crap. Alright. Peace out, Twitch. Oh, that's so sweet, man. I appreciate it. Alright, well let me try to get rid of these fake accounts real quick. Let's see. How am I gonna do this? It'd be sweet if they could just leave. It says I only have 4 viewers. How do they do that? Dude, how do you make it to where you can do this right now? You got all these fake accounts, dude. Alright. Let me see. It's got to be Safety Center. I'm just going to report this. God damn it, dude. I hate Twitch, dude. I can't fucking... Sorry about my language. Just stressing me out. Help. Yeah, help me with something. Contact support. Did I see that? Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm definitely contacting support, dude. Let's see. I have the chat somewhere. I had to freaking quickly hide it because this dude's using like really bad words that can't be on my stream. It'll get me banned because he is an asshole. It's not my real name. That's my real name. Let's see. What do we got? I don't see account/login. That's not it. Submit feedback. I'll just do submit feedback. Navigate to user voice to provide feedback. What? I'm not trying to do that. I'm sorry, guys. I have to deal with this right now. I can't do it here. They want me to go to a forum. Let's see. The forum might have what I'm looking for. Let's see here. Bot accounts. That's one thing. Oh. Unresolved. No, I'm not Twitch staff. Alright, help me out. Here, I'll go back to Twitch real quick. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna have to end this, man. I'm sorry that this, it's me, Orbital Tooth, doing this. That's fun. At least that's humorous. At least he's got a sense of humor. Or like, what did I do to you? Make a new account? No, I mean, I can't just, like, this person can find that new account. Or whatever. Let's see. My community. Let's see. Followers list. Oh, here we go. Let's get these fuckers out of here. First of all. And then, yeah, I guess we can see about making you add new. Display all roles. Moderator. Username. Restream bot. No. Let's see. So here I'm on a search. So is this, what do we got? I can find your name here. Just have to remember what it is. Hold on. I don't think that you're gonna stop, bro. You've already proven yourself to be a dick. So I'm getting you out, dude. Sorry. Alright. Bro, my name's not Cody, but I appreciate it. My name's I think I know what you're doing. It's cool, dude. I'm not scared of this. person. Alright, Orbital Tooth. You're being a moderator. Go get him, brother. Alright, I'm gonna clean these bastards out of here. Alright. There's gotta be a way to mass remove these bastards. This guy was dumb and he made all the logos similar, so yeah, please remove the bots. Definitely. They got a lot of accounts, so I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get rid of them. The worst, man. Absolutely the worst. Are you able to, like, ban them? Trying to make a game, dude. Yo, MRDSA, I think I remember you from a while back, man. It's good to see you again. What's the plan? Right now, I gotta get rid of these bots, man. I just was a victim to, like, this mass bot thing. So this tool lets you manage your block and ignore list. Okay. No blocks found. Username. So, like, maybe I gotta split screen it or something. Yeah, dude, it is crazy, man. I want to be coding. Look, I got this Lite Brite game. I'm taking art requests, but right now I got to deal with this scumbag, unfortunately. I don't want people to see me angry, but damn, dude. Like, this is, I got kids, man. I got stuff to do. You come in here and you do this to me, man. You're gonna pay. All right. Calm down. All right, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, that's Restream. That's another reason why I really don't want to do Twitch anymore. Yo, mama, dude. Just go on YouTube, man. Everybody has YouTube, man. YouTube is... There's like millions on YouTube right now, and there's only like not that many on Twitch. Anyway, what is this? This doesn't even look like the right tool. Manage your block and ignore list on your Twitch account. You got slow mode on. How do you get YouTube? Is it free? Yeah, just, I mean, you just, it's an app on the phone, or you go on youtube.com. And I'm on there coding things IRL. Get doxxed. Yeah, alright, well, whatever. Alright, brother. Yeah, you're right, man. I'm done with this Twitch thing, man. This is it. This is the final straw. Yo, mama, I appreciate you going to YouTube. Twitch, That's what you get. Don't even worry about it anymore, Orbital. I'm fixing to shut it off on Twitch. All right, later. All right. Jeez, man, what a massive weight off my shoulders. Oh my god, dude. How stressful was that, dude? All right. Good lord. It sounds like you're on YouTube, brother. You're right here in the chat with us, man. Good to have you. You were already here. You were already here, man. Weren't you? Yeah, dude. You're the one that said you loved me in a not sexual way, which I super appreciate. Also in a not sexual way. Pretty sweet. Anyway, art requests or coding? Art requests or coding? Okay. I trust you. I could be just seeing something like, I don't know, like a handle representation of you. Are you like, do you not have a YouTube account? Is that what it is? Yeah, I don't know. Okay, whatever. All right, I'm fixing to decide. We're going to go back to coding. Get all that trash out of there. All right, Mr. DSA. Thanks for joining. What is blow? What does that mean? What does blow mean? Like that? Blow? Oh, God, I'm so stressed out now, dude. Okay. All right, bro, I'm at the Discord. Are you able to leave? I see what you said, brother. He's saying he's having problems with his old lady. Are you able to leave the house or something? Just get away from it for a little bit? Sometimes it's best to just like step out, calm down a little bit, come back. have a clear head if things are getting like heated. It's okay. I totally get it. I'm gonna take off those Twitch tweets though. Unfortunately, I don't want to be sending people to Twitch anymore. Maybe I'll get that sorted out and I'll try another attempt, but man, I can't believe somebody tried to extort me on Twitch, dude. Ugh. So, yeah, let me go delete my Twitch tweets. Twitch tweets. Twitch tweets. It's fun to say. We'll send people to YouTube instead. Saribot will ban them. Well, that's great, man. Once that happens, I'll be happy to go back. And then next time that happens to me, I'm just gonna immediately report it to whenever I figure out how to freaking do that with Twitch. But yeah, that wasn't fun. That sucked, dude. The guy's like threatening me and saying like the N-word and stuff. I actually have to check and see if my YouTube thing is not like banned. I don't think I was able to get it off the screen pretty quick. I think. I don't know. I'm sorry you guys had to go through that. That sucked. I'm not gonna dwell on it though. I'm just checking to make sure my YouTube stream is still good. I'm seeing no restrictions. Alright. I have to get a bot on Twitch. Okay. Well, I'll look into that, man. I'll look into that. I might not look into that. We'll see. Twitch has not been very fruitful to me at all. And also, look at this. We're on the mobile stream right now. And almost 50% of people, or we're on the desktop stream, almost 50% say they want mobile instead. I think that I need to switch to mobile. I think I need to say, you know, eat it to Twitch. That's probably the last straw, dude. I had a good time not being on Twitch. I'm saying that. Alright. Rant over. Rant over for real this time. Let's do some more coding. Alright, we need to create another route in our Express.js app. Right now we are in the wrong project, so let's open the right one. What's it called? That's one. Yep. Perfect. Alright. Alright, alright. So we can get this going by noting index like so. I do want to keep these up because they look so pretty. And there we go, we have our game. You think it's your brother? 18 CLE. Oh, Furry Destroyer, what's up? I remember you. I thought you changed your name to something else. Why did my men... sometimes that happens, like if you I don't know, like it will, I don't know, get stuck in the queue or something. Duplicate the message. I appreciate all my real followers. Sucks, man. Yeah, I don't know, whatever. Whatever. Alright, I gotta get back to work, man. Alright, we need another route here. And we're not gonna do much with it right now. That looks fine. I'm not gonna do set state. I'm gonna do save state. Yeah, dude, I'm with you right there. But I mean, to be fair, I should have reported it right away, dude. I thought, you know what I mean? You don't get nothing for nothing. I should have known somebody was trying to extort me. It's too bad, man. Oh well. No sense I'm dwelling on it now. So we have a get and a post on save state and get state. We could call it fetch state, whatever. We can do a little bit different. We can just do /state for both. And since one is a get and the other is a post, it's going to be completely valid. We can have two of the same name if one is a get and the other is a post. They're both post, both get. That's not going to work out. Yeah, so I guess let's we should just be able to call this the get route right away. So let's test that. And we should be able to see the JSON. Yeah, there it is right there. Of course, obviously, we're going to be doing a lot more than just that. And I just noticed that it's the state of California. Ha ha ha. That's funny. It's annoying. Okay. Now, I mentioned earlier and on stream earlier, I mentioned that I don't know exactly what I'm doing, so I'm on ChatGPT trying to, you know, go through the steps that they've given me. Where is it? Is it up here? Yeah, it is up here. Okay, cool. So, there we go. Mongoose. So now we're going to need to create a new file and a new folder if we haven't already created models. So let's do that real quick. Did my camera die? No, okay. I thought it did. Alright, so we do have models. No, wait, that's assets. We don't want that models. Our models should be somewhere on the outer. DTN. ETU2. DTN. What does that mean anyway? What does DTN mean? Down to Netflix. Down to Netflix. Is that your name? Party. Folder. That's not it. Models. The true N-word. And what is the true M word? Wait, don't say it if it's the real one. I don't think it'll let you anyway if you put that in the chat. Unlike in what you call it, Twitch. That right in the chat, no problem. Homie came in clutch with the bands though. It was pretty sweet. All right, not dwelling. All right. So this is the model right here for MongoDB Mongoose. What are we gonna name it? State.js. I like it. New file, state.js. Sweet. And we need to actually have our real state schema, which we can find over on main.js. So let's find that. Over here, all the way up here. Everything in here, basically. So let's copy that over. Make a comment. Oops. Multi-line comment. And paste that in. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this or this. I mean, hell, all we need is the pegs, don't we? I think that's it. This would just be what the current controls are. Why complicate it, right? Can you do an array in MongoDB? Oh, sweet. Look, you can do that. We do want to store the UUID, and we want to store the position, and we want to store this user data, even though we should not be storing any of the previews or the removed. So I'm actually going to object to that and not include that. We should just store everything that is on the board. You know what I'm saying? And that's how we're doing our schema. So our state has an array of pegs. That's it. And it's just UUID and position. What else though? What do you think is missing? Color. Color is missing. Anything else? Got UUID, which is the identifier from Three.js. It's one way of comparing three objects. And then the position. I don't even think we need to save the UUID. But you know what? We can anyway. We can anyway. Doesn't hurt. All right, that's it for the model. What's next? More on index.js. And I believe we're going to have to install some more dependencies, so that's fun. Over there on index. I mentioned that I wanted to call this just state. And we just need a get route as well, I believe. I don't see one here. There's the Mongo connection. We do that on every request. A little space there. A limiter, which will reduce the number of times that one person can request on this line. All right, so there we got the post. That's good to go. And now we need to get naturally. We can do something else. There we go. So this is going to be getting the state by the ID, which in MongoDB is going to be a sort of like an MD5 hash. And yeah, this looks pretty good to me. So we have two options of getting the state. This one gets the latest state. And this one returns state with an ID, but there's a problem. I think there's a problem. The problem that I see here is that this will just keep returning the latest state. There's no client identifier. What can we do about that? Right now we can comment it out because we don't need to do that. We don't need to sweat that. It's not really part of my plan. But when we do save the state, we do need to return, make sure that we're returning the ID. And that's how we'll do it. I'm not sure if I have any way to test this, but we can pretty quickly get this going on my local computer with requests from the index.html. Let's go ahead and code them, and then maybe I will switch my screen over. And do I know how to code? Yes, I do. We'll switch my screen over, and then we will I'll go get the MongoDB connection. No, I don't take offense to that. I use Copilot a lot, just because it's convenient, and I don't know this Express.js very well, or MongoDB, or whatever this tech stack is. So, if your question was if I know how to code this tech stack, not really, no. I don't normally work with this one. So, yeah, no. It's all good. I don't take offense to that. All right, brother. Let's see. State by ID. Yeah, that's all we want. What we're going to do is we're going to save the state, return the ID to the front end, and then that will be a link that will be able to... Okay, now that I think about that, we need to incorporate that somehow in our slash right here. Bro, I need help. I don't know JavaScript, and I want to make something. There's only one way to do that, man, and I'm going to tell you right now, it's a long, long road. And that way to do it is just to get your hands dirty and try to code something. But I do have some tutorials on JavaScript that you could check out. they may be helpful to you because I do it in kind of like a really fast way, and there's a lot of pictures that, like, it's meant for like a quick overview of the language. So maybe getting the broad level concepts will you know, help you understand it better. Yeah, if you go to my channel and you check out my videos, my long form videos, you'll see there, like, it's like a bright yellow video. You can't miss it. Yeah, dude, and it's 5 minutes. It's I go through it really quick, and I just explain the broad overview content. And you know what? It might not be the right content. It might be more of a, like, better for people who already know it, but try it out, dude. It's 5 minutes. It might help. Alright, we still got the state. It's still looking good. Except it says California still. We want to be able to get the state by ID. Alright, here's what we're doing. I need to grab my MongoDB connection. Let me make sure I have the yeah, okay, so here's what we need to do. So right here in the root directory, what we're going to do is we're going to make a new file, and we're going to call it .env. This is where we house our environment variables. These are variables that you don't want your client to see them, right? And you don't want to commit them into your Git repo. I'm talking about API keys, DB connection strings, things of that nature. Also, if you plan on distributing this software, it's helpful to have the environment variables so that somebody can, you know, configure their own API keys and their own DB connections, if that's the route you're choosing. I just watched all your videos and I'm a pro now. Good to hear, brother. Yeah, you'll probably want to do a little bit of coding exercises, but yeah, man, start applying for jobs. You got the Coding Things IRL degree. You went to Coding Things IRL U. I briefly considered making a coding academy sign up thing, money scheme thing, but I can't do that, man. That's just not, I don't have the answers, man. The only true answer to learning to code is to code. It's to do stuff, man. It's to think something, try to make it, realize you can't make it, figure out why you can't make it, and then go from there. Until you get to the lowest thing that you can do. I mean, I didn't want to make a Lite Brite game right away, but I'm new to 3D game development, so I had to pick something that was, like, you know what I mean? Gonna be easy on my little brain. And this is what I landed with. So, yeah. I do it too, man. Just on a little bit different level, just because I've been coding for 8 years. You type 500 words per minute and you just made a copy of the Lite Brite game. Please no sue. I don't have a copyright, bro, so you go right ahead, man. You can totally publish it and do all that stuff, man. If you're that kind of a machine, dude, you earned it, to be honest. And yeah, man, I just won't stream the next thing next time. It's not really a big deal. I don't want to mess this guy up, dude. I think this guy looks good. What do you think? I think he looks pretty good. Okay, so what are we going to do? I got to switch the screen over and try to retrieve my MongoDB connection, so you won't, to be honest. Dude, I know. I don't really think you type 500 words per minute, brother. I wasn't. I was just playing along, dude. I appreciate the advertising though. That's good. That's good stuff. There you go, brother. How about an Etch-a-Sketch? I was thinking about doing an Etch-a-Sketch next, but I don't know. I'll probably go in a little bit harder. You know what I mean? Get my feet wet with the Unreal Engine. My next project's probably going to be an Unreal Engine because, to tell you the truth, I want to make a high quality game. Doesn't everybody? And to make a high quality game, you have two choices. You know, you grind making your own high quality tools, or you use high quality tools that already exist. And me being as lazy as I am, that's the route I'm gonna go. It's not that I'm lazy, dude. I just have a personal life, man. I don't spend 24 hours on a computer, which I would have to do to make my own, like, engine and stuff. Nah, dude. No, I can't. I got a family. Alright, let me switch this screen over and try to get this DB connection. I'm still here. Can you guys still see me? Yeah, I think you can. Alright. I know you guys can't see that. That's good. There it is. Got it. No, I know, brother. I'm trying to get my DB key. It's not your YT, brother. I'm trying to get my DB key. My DB key. Alright, I gotta be very careful. No, it's not your YT, brother. It's me. I'm still here. Hello. Still me. I guess I don't need to do that. I'm not really sharing my screen like that, huh? I'll just stay on the screen then. Let's see. Trying to see how I can see that damn thing. There we go. Confirm. Yo, what's up, brother? Okay, so I got that there. And it's Mongodb URI right there. I think that's it. And documents, Brite, Lite full stack. And the document is called .env. And that's it. Save it. I replace it. It's tripping me out because my connect. I could see my connection string, but you guys can't, and it's tripping me out. Just gonna get that away from my face. All right. That's more or less taken care of. I just got to remember not to open that file. Oh, it's right there. Alright. If I open that file, I have to end the stream. And edit the video. It's gonna suck. Trust me. I hope I don't do that. Alright, but now we got the string. And the way that it works is we can reference the environment variables using the .env dependency. And the one that we have here is called Mongodb. You just sent proof of word per minute on Discord. I'll check it later, brother. I'll check it later. Let's do this. Right click, reveal in Explorer. That way y'all can't see it. There we go. I spelled the name wrong. There we go. MongoDB _ URI, just like that. Perfect. Should we have a separate route for this one where we have the ID? So we're going to have the shareable link, and we want to either have that come across right here on the main route, or let's see what you got, brother. Your proof of WPM. Well, that settles it, man. That settles it. That settles it, man. Alright. Let's see. What the hell am I doing? God, I forgot what I was doing. It's probably quitting time soon then. Maybe I'll stretch my legs out a little bit. I think it is quitting time soon. I gotta come back on the mobile stream because, yeah, I think that more people are interested in mobile. 500. 500 seems like too many. Is that words per minute? Yeah, that seems like you're on a machine level. If that's really true. I'm not trying to, like, I thought you were joking. Like, if that's truly true, then that's crazy impressive, man. You must be like, you know, you must really have some skills if that's true. I'm not trying to disrespect you or anything, brother. All right. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna come back later tonight. I believe you, man. I thought you were joking. I have no reason not to believe you, other than I'm not, like, I would have to look up the. I mean, but whatever. Yeah, like, okay, you can do 500 words per minute, man. That's amazing. It's impressive. I don't know what I can do. I took a typing test when I was applying for a job a long time ago. I think I only got like 100 something, but that was enough to get the job. So maybe I'm average. I don't know. I have no problem being average, but good for you, man, being top typer. All right, I'm going to end it there. because my official 212 words per minute using Devore backlit. You beat him. Damn, dude. You beat him. If it's true that, what you're saying is true, then you beat him by more than double. That's crazy. Well, cool, man. I'm in the presence of a legend, and I'm honored. All right, well, I'm going to come back later tonight, get things sorted out, maybe with Twitch. I'm not sure. Probably it'll be a mobile stream later. But, yeah, man. Hit the bell icon, and it'll let you know when we're about to go live. All right. See you next time.